Step 1. Open outer packaging. Take out the expansion frame set. Unzip the case. Extract main unit with accessories. Step 2. Loosen and remove tail end bolts as shown in video. Position bracket and secure with screws. Repeat for both sides. Step 3. Take out extension main unit and unfold. Position on tailgate as shown in the video. Step 4. Take 2 shorter T-bolts. Connect extension unit to side brackets and secure. Step 5. Fix the middle part of the extension using 2 longer T-bolts and nuts.